Hey, it's Aaron with my semester project, pet project. Kind of been a pet project, so let's get into it. So first, we're gonna address the watch kit and why this isn't actually a watch kit project anymore. And then we'll talk a little bit about the game, and then show off a demo there at the end of everything working together. So why isn't this watch kit? Because this was originally supposed to be a watch kit app. But during my research into how to do that, I found out that WatchKit has pretty much been completely deprecated and replaced with Swift UI, which is just the same thing that you use to create the apps on the iPhone, which was really nice, made it really easy to develop interfaces and things like that. There wasn't a whole lot to learn there, but I needed a new focus. I needed something else to do for my project that was still related to the watch. And so what I found is this thing called watch connectivity, which is Apple's special protocol to connect an Apple Watch and an iPhone together. Um, so I figured out a fun way to apply that in my project. So what's more fun than a game? With a loose definition around the term game. Um, So I based this project off of the Tamagotchis from the 90s. They were these kids' toys that you had a virtual pet that you could take care of and you could feed it and bathe it and play with it just to try to keep it from dying, keep it alive. I got a picture here of one of the little eggs you could buy at some point in time. But the difference between the Tamagotchi and mine is while I don't have a death mechanic. I do have a store, so you can buy things for your little pet to take care of them with, because the real showcase is actually behind the scenes. And it has to do with the watch connectivity component that I put together that allows the phone and the watch to talk, so that way I can have a way to interface the watch with an otherwise unsupported API like the Firestore API, because that was a big problem in my original design. So for our demo, got the phone up, got the watch up, and both are running the app. We're going to go ahead real quick and we're going to make ourselves a new character. Give it a quick password to log in. And it's going to ask us to make a character or make a pet now. We can pick a crow, a snake, or an owl. We'll go ahead with the owl and just call it Who. Now we're at our pet screen here. In just a little bit, we'll see our watch catch up. And once it does, we can get moving into more of the app. I think the only reason it takes so long is just it needs some optimization. But there we go, we're loaded in. We can see our inventories are both empty. Now, if we come in here, we can buy some items and see that pop up on the watch there. Go ahead, buy another one, and that pops in too. And we buy our last one, you can see that also pop in there as well. You'll notice our money's gone down. If we come into the shop here, matches there. Go back to our inventory and we can purchase another item. And now we should see, yep, we've got 2 food, 2 hygiene, and 2 toys. So we'll come back to the main screen on the pet page. And now we can actually use these buttons down here at the bottom. You'll see these stats change as we use our items, both on the phone and the watch. And there's our last one. We washed our pet from the watch, so now we'll do the same from the phone. And we can play, feed, and wash. And we see those updates propagate there. And that is pretty much it for the demo for now. The shining piece to this is the back end that actually lets this watch work with a Firebase Firestore. So I hope you enjoyed and have a great summer.